There are many ways to treat infertility: medical intervention, surgical intervention, IUI, IVF, and many more based on the cause of the infertility. Ayurveda is one among them, which approaches comprehensively to improve the health of the patient, leading to the higher likelihood of pregnancy. Infertility treatment in Ayurveda includes detoxification therapy, strengthening of uterus, uttarabasti, herbal treatment, diet, and lifestyle activities. Based on the conditions of the patient, will administer the detoxification therapy to cleanse the body. The purpose is to flush out the heavy metals, toxins, and inflammations which have been accumulated in the body and which may lead to infertility. These toxins are basically just sitting in our fat cells, and they can be released very easily when we detoxify, and which is very important to improve the quality of the pregnancy. Detoxification therapy in Ayurveda includes Vamana, Virechana, Nasya, Basti, and Raktamokshana. As I already mentioned, based on the psychosomatic conditions of the patient, we'll choose one of these therapies, or we may choose combinations of these therapies to purify the inner channels of the body. Once cleansing is done, we'll administer the uterine nourishment drugs orally, such as Falagrita, Shatavari, Ashwagandha, and many more, to boost the strength of the uterus. Uttarabasti is an important Panchakarma procedure for the diseases of genitourinary tract and a special treatment in infertility. Here we administer 30 to 50 ml of specific medicated ghee, oil, or decoction into the uterus through vaginal route. The solution which we sprinkled inside get adhered to uterine walls. The medicinal properties in that solution will be absorbed, which improves blood circulation, nerve conduction of the uterus. Overall, it nourishes the uterus, hence the quality of the eggs. This procedure will be carried out for 3 consecutive days after the menstruation. Combinations of different fertility herbal formulations are advised to take orally, which can cure underlying diseases and helps in normal functioning of the uterus by balancing the reproductive hormones such as FSH and LH. Eating healthy is proven to be one of the best natural fertility boosters. Here, women should follow high protein and low carb diet, which increases the number of quality eggs. Staying active and maintaining positive attitude are the basic foundations of any infertility treatment. But in today's hectic world, accomplishing these goals can seem impossible, especially when facing difficulty trying to conceive. But there are many ways you can start making lifestyle choices such as yoga, pranayama, cycling, swimming, and many more. There is nothing like conclusion in infertility, but of course, I can understand the infertility is the hardest thing you will ever go through physically, emotionally, financially, and even socially also. But keep trying, and we will also try our level best to treat and counsel you regarding infertility. Then don't worry, difficult roads will always leads to beautiful destinations. That I believe. All the best.